So you guys saw, I'm gonna be rebuilding the shock today, and I got some special plans for it that I'm gonna talk about later. So let's get started. So finally back. It's actually been about 2 months since I started shooting this video, but I got the spring back. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Originally, the spring was supposed to be powder coated, but it actually is just regular paint. Everyone had such a hard time trying to find this color, so we ended up just mixing our own color, and it actually came out really close to the wheel. I'll show you guys. It definitely has a lot of imperfections if you look closely, but it's the best I could get, and I think once it's on the bike, it's gonna look amazing. Here's a quick little side-by-side of the two, and as you can see, it's pretty darn close. Also, here's some of the problems I was talking about. This doesn't even have paint right here. Well, I think I've done enough talking, so let's get back to work. I made a big mistake, well, a little mistake that cost a lot. I was using this 49mm fork bullet. You absolutely need to use a 48. This ring stretched out ever so slightly. It just has the tiniest bit of free play in it. Every time I try to put it in here, it will just get pushed off of the piston. Really sucks, but I ordered up a 48 seal bullet and I got 2 new piston rings just in case I mess it up again. And those should be here next week because I'm trying to get this bike done ASAP. So when I get those parts, I'm gonna check back in with you guys. What's up guys, we're back. It's only been about a week. I got these new piston rings sent. These are OEMs and yeah, I had them FedEx here. Got them here real quick because I could not wait. So here's a 48mm seal bullet. And this is the one that I needed. Installing this piston ring, I stretched it a little bit. I put it in the freezer and wrapped electrical tape around it, and that's to try to shrink the ring back into place. And I read that online, a bunch of people did that, but anyways, when I tried to put the shock shaft into the body, it broke the bottom edge of this ring right here. So if I have to take the shock off in a month, you know, put a new ring back on, whatever. As of now, I'm going to put this back in as is. It's gonna work for a few rides, I'm sure of that. guys. That's gonna do it for this video. It was definitely a struggle, nothing went to plan, and I got a broken piston ring in there right now. So I'm gonna do some suspension testing, if you call it, and see how long that'll last. Jokes aside, I went and ordered a new piston ring that clips together. It's a low friction piston ring made by MX Tech. And yeah, that should be a breeze to put on. So I'll be putting that new ring in after a few rides or so. I'm gonna wrap it up now. So in the next video, I'm finally gonna grow some balls and put the engine back together. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and nos vemos, amigos.